What up, you guys? It's my first Toyota Paseo video. My version is a 5 FE engine, 16 valve FE. Yeah, new spark plug wires with spark plugs, platinum. I finished up fixing up the oil leak on the distributor. New battery. Out of control valve is a bit fidgy, but we'll get used to it. There's a new K&N filter with the pipes. Alarm doesn't work. Radiator's fine. So far I replaced the timing belt, but it's still leaking oil from there. Coolant is good, but coolant is brown at the moment. Power steering fluid is looking good. And yeah, so far the engine has been pulling a lot of its own weight. Yeah, SRT rims, 15-inch matte black. It's a 1992 version. Let me see. Let me go the other way. Yeah, sorry about the mess at the moment. Doing laundry. Tinted windows all around except the front windshield. Pioneer stereo with Pioneer speakers all around, 4-6 inches. Let's see. Oh, stage 2 clutch. It's been installed about 3 months ago. And it has 221,000 miles at the moment. Not sure if you can see that. Probably not. That's fine. Limited space back here, but so far it's looking good for a project car, but I don't know, it still has some things to work on. 5-speed stick shift, and let's see what else. AC, it's not really working at the moment. But yeah, overall it's a good car. Carbon fiber tip, 4-inch outlet, muffler. Let me show you right now. I took off the silencer on it, but that's fine. And it does have a nice deep tone to it. Fixed the bumper on there with the light. Salvage title, but that's fine. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.